Today's fun question. Dhoni captained the Indian cricket team in total 120 matches of test matches, ODI and T20. His success rate in test matches was 55%, in ODI 70%, and in T20 90%. His overall success rate was 75%. Find how many total matches did he win in test matches and ODI. So suppose he played X test matches, X test matches, Y ODI, and Z T20. So he played total 120 matches. It means X plus Y plus Z is equal to 120. And now his success rate in test matches 55%. So X number of test matches. So 55% of X. And in ODI 70%. So Y ODI. So 70% of Y plus 90% in T20, Z matches T20. So 90% of Z. This total number of victories, and to his overall success rate is 75%. So total number of victories is going to equal 120 75%. Right? This we cancel out this, and here 5 11, 5 14, 5 18, 5 15. So this 11x plus 14y, 18z, and this is 15 0, and this 1 18. This is equation number 2. Now look, in equation number 1, 3 unknown variable x plus y plus z 120, and in equation number 2 you have 3 unknown variables x, y, z. So at prima facie, many of you can answer this question cannot be determined because 3 unknown variables and you have only 2 equations. But look here, you are missing one important point here, and this point is he played 120 matches and his success rate in test matches 55%, ODI 70%, T20 90%. Actually, every time the number of matches will be a natural numbers, right? So it means X, Y, Z are natural numbers. This is a additional information you have to think. Logically, you can think that X, Y, Z is going to be a 70% or 90% or 50%. This should be a natural numbers. Okay. So this information can help you to get the value of the total of number of victories in test matches and ODI. Let's see how it is done. So X plus Y, Z 120. Do one thing. If I eliminate one of the variables, like if I eliminate Z, then multiplied it by 18. Multiplied it by 18 means it is 18x multiplied in equation number 1 by 18, 18x, 18y, 18z, and 18 into 120, 18 into 1800 and 360 is 2160. And then here it is equation number 2, 11x, and it is 14y, and this is 18z equal to 1800. Subtracted minus, it is cancelled. It is 7x, and here this is 4y, and 2160, it is 360. So 4y is equal to 360 minus 7x. Correct? And now see this equation. 4y is equal to 360 minus 7x. Left hand side is equal to 4y and right hand side 360 minus 7. So left hand side is a multiple of a 4. So right hand side should also be a multiple of a 4. Right? It means 360 is a multiple 4 into 90, but 7 is a prime number. So x must be a multiple of a 4. Right? Then only you can say, then left hand side is a multiple of a 4. So right hand side should also be multiple of. Means indicate that x is going to be a something multiple of the 4. Right. Now, the point is 360 minus. So if you take x is equal to 50, then 7 into 50, 350, and okay, it should be multiple of it. Because 360 minus 7x should not be greater than 360. Otherwise, you will get the negative. So here x, if I take 50, then 350 and 50. If I take 51, then it is 357. 360 minus 357. Okay. Means value of x must be equal to 50, or it should be equal or less than 51 just to get the positive value of 360 minus 7x. Are you getting me? Here x should be less than or equal to 51 just only for getting the positive value of 360 minus 7x. I think you are getting. But okay, look here. Our problem is that we have to find the right hand side, the multiple of the 4. Okay. So x less than 51, the first multiple you can take, first multiple of 4 you can take for x is 48. 48 or 44 or 40 or 36 like this. Okay. Now see, if you take x is equal to 48, then for x is equal to 48, we can get a value of y. But look here, one point is very clearly, if you are taking x is equal to 48, then look, x is the total number of test matches, right? And success rate in test matches was 55%. So it is very sure that 55% of 48 is not going to be a natural number. ये natural number नहीं होगा. If you take 55% of a 48, then it is not coming out a natural number. So number of victory must be a natural number. It means 48 is not a desirable value of x. If 48 not, then you can take x is equal to 44. Same logic you can apply here. If you get the 55% of 44, 55% of 44 is again also natural number, not natural number. So this cannot be a value of x. If you take x is equal to 40, if you take 40, okay. So 40, 55% of 40 is 22. Okay, we can consider this value. So it means take x is equal to 44. As you take x is equal to 44 here, then 4y 360 minus 7 into, sorry, 40. 44 is not possible. I take 40. 7 into 40. Then 4y is equal to 360 minus 280. 360 minus 280 is going to be 80. So y is equal to 20. So for x is equal to 40, y is coming 20. Now look here. Y is what? ODI matches. And ODI 70% success. So 70% of 20 is what? It is the natural number 14. Okay, this possibility is, right? If you take 70% of 20, then it is 14. And 14 is a natural number. So there is a possibility of 20 of y. Okay. For x is equal to 40, y is coming 20. And now don't forget that T20 success rate is 90%. So get the value of z. It means x is 40, y is 20. So 40 plus 20 plus y is equal to total matches 120. It means y is going to be 60. So look here, if I find the 90% means T20 matches z and the success rate 90%. So here, sorry, it is z. So the 90% of 60 is 90% of 60 is also a natural number 54. So okay, it means this combination will work. X is equal to 40, y is equal to 20, and Z is equal to 60. Here, the number of victory 55%. Question is find the total matches did he win in the test matches. If X is equal to 40, so the total number of victory 40 to 55%. And in ODI, Y is 20. And here it is 70%, which I already calculated, but here I'm doing it again. So this is 11 and it is 20 and this is 22. 22 plus 14 is 36. So overall, in test matches and ODI, he won 36 matches. This is our answer. Got the point? Thank you.